Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about TradingView website. Yes, so in this website you can see a lot of things. Okay, you can see a lot of things on technical chart. You can get to see the screeners, scanners, and you can see variety of markets. Okay, it's not only for NSE or MCX. You can see a lot of things like cryptocurrency and currency, stock, index, future, bonds. So there's a lot of things in this website. So I'll be sharing you some of the useful tricks and tips and information which will be useful for you for our intraday trading. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading and want to recover your losses from today, you can join my course. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel. Lot of news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you about the TradingView. Okay, so guys, even in Zerodha they have implemented TradingView chat. So if you guys don't know, you can go to your profile setting and go into the chats, and there you can see IQ chat, and one more thing is TradingView chat. So these are the TradingView chat looks. Okay, so in TradingView there's a lot of indicators and lot of other things which are very advanced. Okay, so but if you go to TradingView website itself, this is a lot more advanced. Okay, it's not just about the chart, but in TradingView website you get a lot of more advanced things. Okay, so you can go to tradingview.com website and sign in. Okay, it's a free sign in. You can do like a Google sign in, or you can make your own account and give a sign in. Okay, and also keep in mind that there's a lot of paid things here, like paid futures and all these things, but in this video I'll be talking about the free things what are available. Okay, so yes, once you sign in, it looks like this. The home page looks like this after you do a sign in. So I just did my Gmail sign in, and this is how the thing is looking now in the home page. So now let me show you the chats and a lot of other things what are available in this website. Okay, so guys, firstly, if you come to the brokers, you get like something like top brokers or broker awards. So this is not for our NSE, MCX or BSE. This is like a forex trading and all the foreign things here. Okay, so let's skip this part. Now let's come to the market. So in markets, as I said you, this website is for the whole worldwide market which covers everything. Okay, so now coming to the market, you can see cryptocurrencies, currencies, stocks, indices, futures, and bonds. Okay, so you can see a lot of things here, and yes, here you can see our NSE stocks like Reliance, Indus India Bank. All these things are showing here. Okay, and now let's go to the screeners. And here you can see stock screener, forex screener, and crypto screener. So let me just show you an example of a stock screener, how it looks. So this is how the page loads, and here they have a lot of pre-saved things. Okay, like performing stock overview, extended hours, valuation, dividends, margin, income statement, and a lot of things. Okay, so if you click on that, you can see a lot of things which are appearing here as a result. Okay, and if you go to ideas, here is where a lot of interesting things you can see. Okay, so here what they do is there are a lot of people who post about the stock, about the chart. Okay, so they do analysis like this, and they do post like what the stock is performing, how the stock it is. Okay, this is just for educational purpose. I'm not telling you to trade with all these things, so you can just observe it and get the ideas. I'm not telling you to trade. Okay, keep in mind this is just for educational purpose, where you can find a lot of people discussing about lot of stocks and lot of technical things. Okay, this will be useful for you if you're interested. Okay, you can go to the ideas here and you can see a lot of things like trend analysis, chart pattern, lot of important things can be seen here, and also regarding the GAN and all these things. Okay, if you go to chart patterns also, you can see a lot of people discussing in which stock what kind of pattern has been formed and all of these things. Okay, there's a lot of authors, so there's a lot of people who post this, so you can check all of these things. Okay, here if you come to scripts, you can see the scripts like for indicators. Got it? So there's a lot of things. So now let me come to the chart part. Okay, so that is where we get more of the useful things. So this is a watch list at the top right side, what you can see. So let me just open Reliance chart. Okay, so once you click this, the page loads something like this. Okay, here you can see a briefly about the selected stock, what the stock you have selected. You can see brief things about it, like what is the technical looking and all the things. Got it? So now let's go to full feature chart. So once you click on full feature chart, so this is how it looks. Okay, and one more thing guys, there's a lot of people get confusing that can they do demat account or trading in TradingView? No, you can't do a demat account in TradingView. This is just a website where you can find a lot of information and chats. Okay, so don't get confused, this is not a demat account, this is just an website where you can see screeners, scanners and a lot of technical chats. Got it? So yes, so this is how the chart loads. Okay, so when you click on the full view, these are the chart loads, and here you get a lot of interesting things. Okay, so firstly let's start with here. So this is an time frame where you can select. Got it? And this is a candle style what you want, so let us keep it as a default candle, and here you can compare or add any stock. This is Reliance what I'm opening, so if you want to compare with any of the other stock, I can just type it and I can easily compare. Okay, so this red line, what you can see is the other stock what it is showing, that is GAIL. Got it? So if you want to remove, I can click on it and I can remove it. And now let's come to the next thing, that is indicator and strategy. So guys, you guys know a lot of indicators are there, that is fine. Okay, you can see a lot of advanced indicators also here, but that is not the thing here. But you can see the candlestick patterns also. So there's a lot of candlestick patterns, so whatever candlestick pattern you want to search it for example, let's say you have to find an engulfing bearish candle, so click that, and here it will show where are the candle pattern has been formed. Okay, that is as easy as that to find the candle. And not only that, you can see a public library where a lot of people had done their own strategies by combining a lot of indicators, and they've already made it ready. For example, if I click on Fibonacci Bollinger Band, if I click that, it will show me that strategy what that person has made, okay, according to that indicators. So everything will get plotted in my chart. And not only that, if I go to any other things like wave band oscillator, ADX and DI, if I click that, you can see everything is being implemented here in my chart. Okay, so there's a lot of public library where many people have done that. Okay, so you can click any of this like super trend or MACD4. So they have done a lot of strategies. Okay, and if you upgrade your account, you get a lot of other features also. Okay, so this is how it looks. There's a lot of things which are there here. If you guys want to experiment, you guys can just see it. Okay, and now let's come to the next part, that is financial. So guys, you know, you can check the financial, that is fundamental of a stock, but here you can see it as an indicator, which is very nice and which is very good. For example, if I have to see anything here, if I just click on it, it will just add up as an indicator here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the indicator what it has added according to the finance. And also you can check other things here like total revenue, like how the stock has performed and all these things. So let me show you a good indicator which will show you some of the example. So guys, yes, if I just switch it to 1-day candle chart, you can see on the fundamentals, you can see a lot of changes happening here. Okay, so that is total inventory, total revenue, or total current assets, like how the stock has been performed according to the financial also, according to some fundamentals also, it will be showing here. Okay, so you can check the financial and fundamental statement of the stocks like in an indicator manner, which will be very useful for you if you are interested. And next comes indicator template, like you can save your own indicator, like you can save your templates also. Okay, if you want, you can create like an two or three combined indicator strategy and save it as an indicator. And here it comes the alert thing, so you can create an alert. For example, if you want to alert when some certain stock goes to some certain rate, or some indicator is pointing something, so you can alert it like that. Okay, you can use that alert feature. And this is bar replay, that is candle replay feature, which you will get it once you upgrade to your pro version. Okay, so this is how it looks. So now let me show you some of the tools which are available in your left side of the screen. Okay, here you can see like a crosshair thing. Okay, and this is a line tool which is helpful for drawing lines or something. And here you can see a lot of other things like trend line and a lot of stuff. Okay, so and also you can add text box if you want to add any text there, or if you want to indicate anything, you can just add it as a text. Okay, and measure, if you want to measure any candle or anything, you can use the measure tool. And here if you come down, you can see a lot of things like stock screener, here the same thing. And also you have a text note, something where you can save some note regarding some stock, where you have to remember like buy it when it goes there or sell it when it comes here, so you can just keep some notes. Okay, and these two things will not been a use. This is a strategy tester, so you can combine some of your strategies and test it here. Okay, and yes, so this is about the TradingView platform, and these are some of the little useful information and strategies, tricks, tips what you guys can use. And at the top right side, what you see here is a watch list. If you want to add any stock, you can just click on the plus button, and let's say I want to add Tata Motors, I can just simply add it. Okay, so once I had it, I'll get it here, so I can tap on it and the chart will load up. So you can load up any of the chart where whatever you have had it in, you know, in your watch list. Okay, and the chart will be real time, and it's advanced chart. As I said, you can see a lot of things here. Okay, so guys, this was about the TradingView. So this is how you can use it. So there are some useful features, so yes, you guys can definitely test it out if you are interested. Okay, and yes, you get a lot of indicators, you get a lot of inbuilt strategies and a lot of things here in the TradingView which will be helpful for you. So yes, you guys can go here and check it out if you're interested. And if you do a lot of technical analysis, this website will be very helpful for you. Okay, so yes, this is about the TradingView, guys. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also share this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, and also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.